Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. We're demonstrating for you. This is sort of a work in progress. A stainless steel conveyor. It's about 13.5 feet long. A couple of unique features. We're going to be selling with this a 90-degree curve. That curve will be mounted in anywhere you see a split in the body. And there are 3 locations for that point. Third one being up here by the motor. It does have an explosion-proof drive. As you can see, obviously all stainless. It's carrying the 880 style chain, which allows it to flex and turn. And a couple of unique features here. You'll see right here the conveyor has a little turn to the left. They were transferring to a side transfer at that point. Can easily be corrected if that's a problem for you. Rails, other amenities, we'll add that on later. You see it's running kind of fast, so we're going to eventually install an AC frequency controller. So you'll have this as the maximum speed and then down to a virtual crawl. We have lots of equipment in our inventory, process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.